A, B, C, and D together have a total of $1,500. The average amount with A and B is $275, while the average amount with A and C is $270. Find the average amount with B and D if the average amount with A and D is $250. So we are given that the sum of the numbers with A, B, C, D is a total of 1,500, right? And the average amount with A and B is 275. That means the total amount with A and B is 2 times of 275, which is going to be 550. Average amount with A and C is given as 270. That means the sum of amounts with A and C will be twice of 270, which will be 540. Similarly, we need to find the average amount with B and D. That means the average amount with A and D given is 250, which means the sum of the amounts with A and D is 500. Now, if we add all these three equations, we will get A plus B plus C plus D. So I'm going to rewrite this as 2A plus B plus C plus D so that I can replace A plus B plus C plus D with 1,500 straight away. This is going to be 1,590, out of which this is 1,500 already. So I'll get the value of A as 90 upon half, 90 by 2, sorry, which will give us A as 45. Now, if A is 45, then the value of B from here is going to be 505. And the value of D from here is going to be 455. So the average of B and D is going to be average of 505 and 455. So this is going to be 460 plus 500. So 960. Half of 960 is 480. Option A.